Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Janitor AI account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in janitorai.com and press enter to end up in the official website for Janitor AI. If you're already logged into your account and you'd like to sign out of it, then simply go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. In the pop-up displayed on the screen, click on Log Out. This will then log you out of your Janitor AI account. So that is how you can easily log out or sign out of Janitor AI, but make sure that you remember your credentials so that you can log in back again if you want in the future. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.